Hey, what's up everyone? So this is my first time driving in the United States.
Tika muna, dito ka. Ano ka ba naman?
Alright, so this is my last vlog in New York. we're about to leave to the airport. I'd like to say thanks to my cousin Dodi.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
this trip's not possible without his generosity and his hospitality. So yeah, big shout out to my cousin Kuya and his family. So we just arrived in New York International Airport. It's like around 4 AM in the morning. Feels like this 10 days has gone really fast. Time flies when you have fun. Hey everyone, it was pretty awesome. I kind of feel a bit sad leaving it. I kind of feel bad I didn't get to go to the Central Park. It was probably one of the things I missed out on, and the Empire State Building. Overall, my trip to New York and DC was really good. I definitely would look forward to coming back again. Maybe in the future, maybe when I get more annual leave. Definitely looking forward to visiting LA and Las Vegas, so that's going to be pretty interesting. So yeah. Hey, what's up everyone? So I'm in Hollywood Boulevard now. So we just got off to the airport and my cousin Kuya Jeff picked us up. Big shout out to Kuya Jeff, he's Kuya Dodi's brother. So we're in the, what was it? This is the Walk of Fame? Walk of Fame, Hollywood. Next. Hey, what's up everyone? So this is my first time driving in the United States. I'm just trying to find my way out. So we came from here. So,
Nakala ko ba ano na to? Naka-ano na to?
Yeah. He wants us to turn right. So this way.
Tika muna, dito ka. Ano ka ba naman? Yan ang kinakatakutan ko eh. Yan ang kinatatakutan ko.
Kailangan ko ng practice. Pagyan mo na. Alright, so I already made my biggest mistake. So I already started driving on the left. That's
no.
Yeah.
Dito sa side na to. Dito sa side na to. Kaya ayaw ka pag driving eh. Yan.
Wow, so that was not easy. I need more practice. I'll get there eventually. Hello my YouTube friends, so we're at Jollibee now. So I'm just gonna vlog my experience of just eating Jollibee. I don't normally get to eat Jollibee in Australia. We don't have it there. Last time I ate Jollibee was in the Philippines like about 10 years ago. So, and I ordered I'll show you guys over here. I ordered the burger steak. You just have to open it. So that's the burger steak. So you've got mushrooms, you've got gravy, you've got Jollibee gravy, you've got rice, you've got that steak, that the patty, the burger patty as steak. So it's gonna be fun eating this. I haven't had this in a while. They had a few options. They got like spaghetti, they got your chips, or sorry, your fries. I hope you enjoyed this trip so far. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.